From the throne of grace you call our name. We lift our hearts, we lift our praise.
In the silence we hear your voice, calling nations to rejoice.
Every tribe and every tongue, holy, holy, you reign forever.
Let our worship rise like incense. Let your glory fill this place.
This is the sound from heaven, voices lifted high. Angels join our worship as your glory fills the sky. This is the sound from heaven, songs that